In this video, I'm going to be talking about 4 ways that you can possibly fix ChatGPT being at capacity and how you can actually use it. The first way you're going to try is to actually go up onto your Google Chrome and click the 3 dots and click Settings. You're then going to go to Privacy and Security and actually click Clear Browsing Data. Once you do that, you're actually going to clear all of the data so that ChatGPT will understand that you are in need of going onto their website, and it will trick ChatGPT into allowing you onto the site. A second way is to actually go onto a different browser. I'm on Google Chrome right now, but you can also use other browsers to try and see if you are going to be let in. The next way is to actually try in a few hours, because sometimes you'll be let in even if it's at capacity and if you wait a few hours. And the final way is to actually go down here and click Upgrade to Plus. If you want to pay the $20 a month to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, you'll be able to actually access ChatGPT even when it is at capacity. That's all we have for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next video.